Okay, Mr. Rudra. Mr. Rudra, we'll be discussing question number 14, 15, 16. 14, 15, 16 of Selena class 9 exercise 4a. So question 14 is if 3x plus 4y is equal to 16 and xy is equal to 4, find the value of 9x square plus 16y square. So this is what is given to us. 3x plus 4y is equal to 16, xy is equal to 4. This These two information is given to us, and what we need to find is 9x square plus 16y square. This is the unknown, and this is what we need to find. So the first step that I do is I square both sides of equation 1. This is my equation 1. I square both sides. So when I square both sides, I'm using the expansion a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. When I square this will become 9x square plus 16y square plus twice of 3x into 4y, and that will be twice of 3x into 4y would be equal to 3 to the 6, 6 4 the 24, 24xy, and that is why 24xy is written here, and 16 square is 256. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
Now, because I need to find 9x square plus 16y square, 9x square plus 16y square will remain in the left hand side, and I will bring this 24xy towards the right hand side. Why? Because I know the value of xy. So I'll put the value of xy here. So 24 into 4 is 96. So 256 minus 96 is a 160, and therefore my final answer is 160. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
Okay. The next question is question 15. Question 15 says the number x is 2 more than the number y. So if we have a number y, then x would be 2 more than this. So x would be y plus 2. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
So if the sum of the squares of x and y is 34, what this means is that if you take the squares of this and this, now we know that x is actually equal to y plus 2. So all this line is trying to tell you is that you need to take the square of y plus 2 and y square, and the sum of these two would be 34. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If you find this confusing, you can write first x square plus y square is equal to 34, and then in place of x you can write y plus 2. So y plus 2 whole square plus y square would be 34. And what do I need? I need the product of xy. That is, my unknown is xy. This is what I want to find. So how do I find this? So the equation that we have is y plus 2 whole square plus y square is equal to 35. This is the information which is given to me. This information and this information has been given to me. And I need to find xy, the product of xy. So therefore, I put the value of x as y plus 2, and then I solve this. This is y square plus 4 plus 4y plus y square is equal to 34. This becomes a equation, a quadratic equation from which I can take 2 common on both sides, and that is why I have written this as y square plus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
So y square plus 2y minus 15 is my equation, and what I can do is splitting the middle term. So y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. I have split 2y as 5 minus 3y. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And after that, I take y common from this and minus 3 common from this. So I get two roots of y. So two values of y. So y would be equal to 3 or y would be equal to minus 5. These are the two values I have got. Now, for y is equal to 3, the x that I will get is 5. How? Because x is 2 more than y. So for y is equal to 3, I get x is equal to 5. And for y is equal to minus 5, I get x is equal to minus 3. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
So basically, you have got these two pairs. Y is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. This is one pair. And the second pair that you have got is x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to, there is an and between them, and y is equal to minus 5. And if you take a product of either of these, so 5 into 3 is 15 and minus 3 into minus 5 is 15. So that is why plus 15 be your only answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
You need to take care that do not write xy as a plus minus 15. It is not minus, because these are the only two pairs that are the solution. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. The last question. The difference between two positive numbers is 5. So the difference between two positive numbers is 5. So as usual, we'll take, let the numbers be x and y. So the difference is 5. So let x minus 5 be 5. I should write here, therefore. And the assumption that I am making is that x is greater than 5. The sum of the squares is 73. So x square plus y square is equal to 73. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So these are the two equations that I have, and I want to find the value of the product of the two numbers. I need to find the product of the two numbers. X into y is what? See, this question number 16, there are two ways of doing this. The first way is I can take the value of x from here. I can take the value of x is equal to 5 plus y. I can put this value of x in this equation. This will become 5 plus y square plus y square is equal to 73. Mr. Rudra, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this will be equal to 25 plus y square plus 10y plus y square is equal to 73. Any doubt?
No, sir.
This is just an expansion of a plus b whole square. So that is why this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now I need to solve this. So y square plus y square will be 2y square plus 10y, and here 25 will go here. So 73 minus 25, that will be equal to 48. I can take common 2. So y square plus 5y would be 24. My equation will become y square plus 5 minus 24 is equal to 0. Any doubt, Mr. Rudra?
No, sir.
So how can I split this middle term?
So 5y plus 1.
Mr. Rudra, this will be equal to y square plus 8y minus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So y plus 8 minus 3 y plus 8 is equal to 0. So the values of y would be equal to 3 and minus 8. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So 3 and minus 8. So now if you look carefully at the question, they have told you that the difference between two positive numbers. So you need to reject the value of minus 8. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So I will be rejecting this. Y would be equal to 3. For y is equal to 3, I can find the value of x to be equal to 8, and therefore x into y is equal to 24. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
So this is one way of doing the question. This is one way. If you find this difficult, another way of doing this question is x minus y is equal to 5, x square plus y square is equal to 73. This is the given information. So we need to find the value of xy. So another way of doing this question is like this. So I know that x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square is equal to 4xy. This is the identity which is given in the book. So x plus y whole square, I can expand this to be equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy minus x minus y whole square plus is equal to 4xy. Any doubt about this?
No, sir.
Mr. Rudra, when I expand this x minus y whole square, this will be equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. And there is a negative outside. So this will be equal to minus x square minus y square plus 4xy. Any doubt?
No, sir.
And that is why this is equal to 4xy. But here, what I need to do is, that I have been given the value of x square plus y square. The value of x square plus y square is 73. So all I do is I put this value of x square plus y square is equal to 73 plus 2xy will come towards this right hand side, and this will become 4xy minus 2xy is equal to 2xy. So look at any doubt.
No, sir.
So basic algebraic manipulation you are doing. All you have done is you have expanded this x square plus y square plus 2xy. This is the expansion. Then you brought this 2xy towards this side, and that is why it became 2xy. And why are you doing this? Because you know the value of x square plus y square, and you also know the value of x minus y. So x square plus y square is 73 minus x minus y value is given here 5. So 5 square would be 25. So 73 minus 25 will be equal to 48. So your left hand side becomes 48. Your right hand side is 2xy. So xy would be equal to 24. This is the same answer that we had got by using the first method. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
So you can use either of the method, whatever you are comfortable with. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.